0.25. Can you do it? Can you do it? Interval 0.25. Okay, start at 1. Okay, so you will do 1. Okay, the interval is 0.25. Then we end at 3. Okay. Okay, so apart from this, you can also use, we call it as linspace. Linspace function, if you want to create an evenly spaced vector by specifying the number of elements instead of the spacing between each element. Okay, so now let's say, okay, I want to create, but I use a linspace. Okay, what is linspace? Linear. Okay, so we want to create evenly spaced vector. Okay, so start with 3, ending with 15, interval is 5. Okay, so this one is evenly spaced vector. Okay, we use linspace 3, 5, 15. Okay, so you get it 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, now we are going a bit complicated more. We use linspace, okay, but not a number. Instead of which we use pi. Okay, we use pi value. Okay, we use pi value. Okay, so now we use linspace. Okay, we want to start with number 1. Okay, until 2 times pi. Okay, what is 2 times pi? It's 22/7 or 3.142. Okay, then we stop at 100. Okay, so we run it. Okay, so you see, we get all the data here from column 1 until 100. So it start with 1. Okay, and okay, it's 1.05034. Okay, and all that. Okay, and the difference is 100. So this one is 1 until 2 pi. Okay, so 2 times pi is 2 times 3.142. Okay, you see here is the last one is 6.2832. 2 pi is 2 times 3.142. So you will get the last value is 6.2832. And the interval between each value evenly spaced by 100 units. Okay, so if you see, okay, the column, sorry, linspace, okay, and also this one, okay, like how we use the previous evenly spaced matrix, okay, you create row vector. Okay, if you want a column vector, okay, we have to use the okay, we have to use like this. Let's say this one, linspace 3, 5, 15. Okay, if you want to make it into row vector, we use this symbol, which means transpose. Okay, so it converts row vector to a column vector. So let's say I want to do linspace 1 until 5. This one is 10. Okay. Run section. Okay, you see here, we have transpose it. It's 1, 1.44, 1.899. It become a row vector. Okay, this one is we transpose to become row vector. Okay, so we use that one. What? What is it? Column vector. Column vector, sorry. Yes, column vector. Okay. Yeah, because it's column, right? But has many rows. Okay. Okay, now let's say we want to do a 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, we want to do a 5. Okay, I give you 1 minute to do it, the transpose function. Okay. Okay, so if you use list space, I forgot. Okay, so you see here, list space 1 until 2 pi, so 100. So which means that we want to create from 1 until 2 pi value, okay, using 100, that has 100 unit. And here list space 1 until 5, we want to create 10 values. So if we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 until 5, it has 10 values. Okay, now we want to create a ones matrix, 5 by 5 matrix. Okay, so we want to create, next is, we want to create a matrix of 1, 5, matrix of 1, okay, 5 by 5. Okay, so we have a specific function for that. We put ones, then we put here 5. Okay, ones 5. So let's run it. So you see, we get a 5 by 5 matrix that has all values of 1. Okay, next, if you want to create a matrix of 1, okay, but 4 by 2 matrix. Okay, so you write it as ones. Okay, ones, 4 row. Okay, 2 column. Okay, 4 row, 2 column. So you see, so 1, 1, 1, 4 rows, 2 column. Okay, so are you okay? Okay, are you following me? Yeah, okay. Now, we have created matrix of A, capital A. You remember? 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, right? It's 2 by 3 matrix, right? Okay, now, okay, we want to create a matrix, okay, same size as A, but all 1, 1, 1. We want to create one matrix, but following size A. Okay, so here, we'll create one matrix size of A. Matrix A. Okay, so what we can do is we put ones. Okay, 1 size, then our matrix A previously. Okay, then you run it. Okay, you will get 1, 1, 1. It is 3, 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so if you check what is A, see here, A is this 2 by 3 matrix. So we create a matrix of 1, following size like matrix A. Okay, so why we want to do 1, 1, 1? Okay, in mathematical, or if you do simulation, or in financial, you need a matrix that has start with 1 or 0, something like that. The same number, then we adjust the value from time to time using looping, oscillation, and all. Okay, okay, next is, okay, you want to create a matrix of 0, 3 by 3. So you put zeros, 3. So this one is 3 by 3 3 by 3 matrix includes 0. Okay, so you see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, all that. Okay, let's say I want to create a 2 by 4 0 matrix. Okay, you see here, we get it. Okay, now I want you, okay, now we're done with 0, 1s and all. Okay, what if I want to create an identity matrix? You know what is identity matrix, right? 1, 0, 0. Sorry, if it is, let's say 4 by 4, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so the command that you should use is I, E, E, Y, E. Let's say 4 by 4, so here. So here is identity matrix 4 by 4. Okay, so you see here, I get an identity matrix 4 by 4. Okay, so let's say I want to create identity matrix is 5 by 2. I know that it is not, but MATLAB can do it. Okay, so I give 5 by 2. Okay, so this one is identity matrix 5 by 2. Okay, so you get this. Okay. Okay. Let's say you want to create a matrix using uniform distribution, okay, from number 0 to 1. Okay, you want to use a random number uniform from uniform distribution from 0 to 1. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, say here you want to create matrix random numbers, random numbers from 0 to 1. Okay, so what you have to do is random, R-A-N. Okay, so we want to create a 3 by 3 matrix. So ran 3. Okay, so this one is a random numbers matrix size 3 by 3. So you see here, I got this. Okay, let's say I want to create a random numbers, but 4 by 4 matrix. Sorry, 1 by 4. 1 by 4 matrix. Okay, so for in MATLAB, okay, random numbers is between 0 to 1. Okay, so 1, 4. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, so it's random number from 0 to 1. Okay, but this one is 1 row for a matrix. Okay, now, we want to create a matrix of random integer. Where found value? Something? Now, now I want to create a matrix of random integer. Okay, I want to create a matrix of random integer. Okay, we use as rand I. Okay, so rand I, we will return a random scalar between 1 and I max. Okay, so now, okay, we use rand I, random integer. Rand I, okay, so it puts as 10. Okay, so rand I is, okay, create a matrix, okay, of random integer, okay, between is 10. Okay, so this is the 10 is the integer, maximum integer. So rand I 1 until 10. So you see here, I got here as 9. It's random, right? Okay, so now I want to create a random integer. Okay, random integer from 1 until 20, but size 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so I use random integer, okay, from 1 until 20, okay, but size 3 by 3. Okay, so here it is random integer matrix. To 20, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so random integer 23. So you see, you will get the number of integer between 1 until 20, but with size 3 by 3. Okay, now let's say I want to put a random integer from number 1, okay, until 50, but size 5 by 2. Okay, this one is 3 by 3, right? So I want to set is 5 by 2. So okay, so from 1 until 50, so 50, 5 by 2, so I write it 5, this one is 2. Run section, okay, so you see here, we get random integer 5 by 3, 5 by 2 matrix, okay, but the number, the integer number is between 1 until 50. Okay, now I want to create a matrix, okay, but I don't want to start with 1. This one is 1 until 50, 1 until 10, 1 until 20. But I want to start, okay, from 50 to 100, but size 3 by 2. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, I want to create a matrix of random integer between 5 by, from 50 to 100. Okay, but size is 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so what we have to do is, okay, put here 50 to 100. then 3 row, 2 column. Okay, then run section. So you see here, I got the value is between 50 to 100, but 3 by 2 column. Okay, are you following me? Yeah. Okay. Now we are at page 8. There's a 32 pages of coding that we are going to do. We are currently in page 8. There's a 32 pages. Okay. So I cannot be too slow. Okay, but I cannot be too fast. All right. Okay. We have 32 pages of coding. Now we are in page 8. Okay, page 8, number 8. We have 3 to 32. Okay, now please bear with me. Now I want to create a magic matrix, magic square matrix. Okay, from integer 1 until the number. Okay, where the sum of the number in each row, each column, and both diagonal are the same. You know that magic matrix? You know. Wait. Okay, magic matrix is a square grid of number. So the sum of the numbers in each row, column, and diagonal is the same. Okay, like this, 4, 9, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so 4 plus 9 plus 2 is 15. Okay, row, this, diagonal also, all the same number. We call it as magic matrix. Okay, we call it as magic matrix. Okay, so in MATLAB also we can create a magic matrix. Okay, so for magic matrix, let's say we want to create, okay, okay, so the sum, okay, but it is 3 by 3 matrix, so we put it as magic 3 by 3 matrix, magic 3. This one, oh, sorry. Magic 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so this is a magic matrix function. So you will get it 8, 1, 6, 3, 5, 7. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Okay, if you summation 6 plus 7 plus 2 also 15, diagonal 8 plus 5, 13 plus 2 is 15. All summation, row, column, diagonal, everything is 15. Okay, now, okay, now, okay, let's create a matrix A, okay, but this one we want to do a vector of, matrix of 4 rows, 2 columns. Okay, so I create A is equal to 1, 2, semicolon, 3, 4, semicolon, 5, 6, semicolon, 7, 8. Okay, so this one is a 5 by 2 matrix. Okay, so you get this. Okay, in matrix, they will key in all the value row by row. Okay, let's say you want to know what is the size. When you deal with big data, of course, you want to know what is the size. So you put it as size A. Okay, so you see, size A is 4 rows, 2 columns. Okay, let's say you want to create a variable for A. Okay, we want to create a variable for A to know what is the number of rows and what is the respective number of columns. Okay, so you can also write it as size A is equal to, okay, we put as A row and A column. Sorry. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot. Okay, you have to put like this: size A row, A column equal to size A. Okay, here. So you see A row equal to 4, A column equal to 2. Because before this, when you see 4, 2 like this, you don't know which one is column, which one is row. Okay, so you put like this, so it will give you matrix A row 4, matrix column is 2. Okay, so let's say you just want the number of columns of matrix A. You don't want the number of columns in matrix A. So you can do here, you empty it using the tau. So it's A column. Okay, so equal to size A. So this one only return, okay, number of column matrix A. Okay, you run it. Okay, so you see here only column is appeared. Row is not appear there. Okay, again, it's the same thing. If you want to find only the row number, you can do the same. Okay, so only number of rows. And okay, I will pass the paper. Okay, write your attendance and put your name and student ID. Okay, I am setting up your um, QR. Okay, your attendance QR is not ready yet. You buy it late. After the today, it will be ready. Okay, so for the time being, I take manually. Next class, we will use QR. Okay. Okay, I will pass it on. Okay, for the QR, review some of my previous students, we know how to use it. But if you're not, you have to install Power App. Okay, you cannot use like just use your camera to install. You have to use Power App. Okay, okay. I have shared in Teams, right? How to install Power Apps. Okay, in Wednesday class we use QR. Okay, because it is safer for you and also safe for me. Okay, yeah. So I cannot find any like someone who taking your attendance. Okay, okay. Now it's 10:10. I give you 5 minutes break before we come back again. To continue our coding. Thank you. At this meantime, pass around the attendant, write your name and ID. Don't keep it to yourself. Thank you.
Can we like just run one specific code we like? For example, can I just run this on this code? Because from what I do, right, when I press run section or run or control enter, it runs the entire
Every
code.
time, yeah.
So there's no
Yeah, if you press run, it will run everything. But if you run section, only the one that you highlight.
for example, let me try this.
Uh-huh.
Run section, right? But it seems like you run everything again.
Eight. Yeah, it will still run everything. Is it like certain setting or
Yeah. Yeah, I think you also have problem with them. Later I will get back to you for this. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I noticed that some of your PC, okay, already, okay, when you try to run, you cannot run in section. It run everything, your code. Okay, let's say like this, right? I want to run this only. Okay, so I run it, run section. So it's only written by section, right? But some of it will run all. Okay, it will run all. So it's okay. I will, it has some setting. Later on in next class, I will tell you how to do it. Okay, so now, okay, we're going to learn about length. Okay, we're going to learn about length. Okay, so for length, okay, it return the length of the largest array dimension in I. Okay, so the length is the number of, if it is vector, okay, if it is a vector, is a number of elements. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let's say I do length. Okay, now I want to make it the array. Sorry, the matrix is 9, 13, 2, 2, 6. Let's see. Okay, so here I clear everything first. So here is, okay, so it has like 5. Okay, so why 5? Because we have one value, 2 value, 3 value, 5 value, 5 value, sorry, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 4, 5. So the length is, for this matrix, it is 5. Okay, so let's say I create a matrix. Okay, so I want to find the length, okay, of a matrix. Okay, let's say the matrix is 3, 2, 1, 4, semicolon. Okay, 1, 9, 2, 7. Okay, so the length here, it is, Okay, 4. Why it is 4? Because it return you, okay, the largest array dimension. This one is actually 3, 2, 1, 4. And this is a 4 by 2 matrix. Okay. Okay. You can also have maximum and minimum. Okay. You can also have a maximum and minimum. Okay. Let's create. Okay. Okay. Let's create a V column vector. Okay. 3, 0, 9, 1, 5. Okay. So you get it. Okay, let's say you want to find a maximum value. So maximum B. Okay, run it. Okay, you get 9. The maximum value is 9. Okay, then let's say you want to create a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's say I put as U. Okay, is equal to, okay, I put as 2, 3, and 10. Okay, 5, 8, 1. So 7, 0, and 10. Okay, then I want to find a maximum number of U. Okay, so the maximum number is, okay, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, 7, 8, and 10. Okay, this is when it is 3 by 3 matrix, it select it, okay, by, sorry, no, column by column. Okay, so it's like 2, 5, 7. What is the maximum? 7. 3, 8, 0. What is the maximum? 8. 10, 1, 10. What is the maximum? It is 3 chooses 7. Okay, so we have V. Okay, let's say we want to find, okay, maximum is called with two output, okay, maximum value, and another one is, okay, set out is index that correspond to the first occurrence of the maximum value of A. Okay, so we have V here, 30915. Okay, we recall back what is V? 30915. Okay, so now I want to create a new one, okay, which is, okay, we put as V max. Okay, so here I put as ID X, okay, underscore V max is equal to maximum value of V. Okay, so here, okay, we first output is the maximum value. Okay, second output is, okay, second output is index that correspond to the first occurrence of the maximum value. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so you see here, okay, V is equal to 00195. Say the value, the maximum of V it is 9. Okay, the second corresponding is 3. Okay, because it is an index that corresponds to the first occurrence. Okay, where is number 9 is located? It's at column 3. So ID x Vmax is the column, the position of the maximum value. Okay, so this one is 3 is on the third column. Okay, so this one is you have a row vector. What if you have a 3 by 3 matrix? Okay, let's say I create a new matrix which is A. Okay, so 3, 2, 3, 7. Then I reuse the previous one, but I changed it into capital A. Okay, so we have 2, 3, 10, 5, 8, 1, 7, 0, 10. Okay, I want to use the Vmax IDX, this one, the same thing. Okay, but I want to use it for matrix A. Okay, so but I change it, it becomes a okay, I can also write this as max A IDX, okay, max A. I change the name only. You can also use the name max A. Okay, then run it. Okay, you will get max A is, okay, let's look at A again. A is 2, 3, 10, 5, 8, 1, 7, 0, 10. Okay, so max A is, they will look at it by row. So 7, this one, by column. The first column, the maximum is 7. The second column, the maximum is 10, 8. The third column is the maximum is 10. Okay, but what is the position? This one is happen at row number 3. 8 is happen at row number 2. And this one, they choose the first one, which is at row number 1. Okay, so here. Okay, now, okay, we are going to do index. Okay, we have done length, we have done matrix, we have done length, maximum, minimum. Now we are begin with index. Okay, we are going to do matrix index. Okay, so now, okay, now we want to find to do the extraction. Okay, we want to do extraction. Now let's say we do a row vector. B is, sorry, column vector. A, 1, 0, 2, 3. Okay, so B is 8, 1, 0, 2, 3. Okay, now we want to extract the third element of B. Okay, we want to extract. Extract means only take a third element of B. Okay, so we do as V3. Okay, we run. So you see here, it is 0. Why? Because the element, right? 1, 2, 3 is 0. The value is 0. Okay, let's say we want to extract the last element of B. Okay, we want to extract the last element of B. Okay, we can also use B, last element, we put as N. So this one will extract the last element of B. So what is the last element? It's 81023. So we know that the last element is 3. So we get it 3. Okay, let's say we want to take the second last element of B. Okay, we want to take the second last element of B. Okay, so we put as N minus 1. Okay, so when you run, it is second last element is 8102. The second last is 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. Okay, why I introduce you a lot of metrics and all this? Because we're going to use it. Okay, we're going to use it later when you do the graphical. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you all this. Okay, if take some time to get used to it, but no worries. Okay, your final assessment, it will be open book. Okay, it will be open book. Yeah, open book, but yeah, open book. But you can bring your book, but cannot use the computer to search anything. But you can bring your notes. You understand? You can bring your notes. You can print everything, code or everything. Can. Okay, but I'm not sure there's a limit pages or not. I will get back to you. But from the previous semester, we don't have any limit. You can bring books, you can bring paper, you can bring anything, but cannot search using the PC. We will disable all internet. Okay, and you, of course, you cannot bring your phone, right, during final, but it is open book. Okay, but I don't know whether we put a limitation for number of pages to bring in the exam or not. Last time, if I'm not mistaken, no limitation. No limitation. But this time, we will see how. Okay? So, if you want to bring any even books, okay? Last semester, my student bring, they write, print, book, they bring like a stack of book like this. Yeah. But I don't think you use everything, right? You don't use everything. You use a bit. Okay, so now, okay, now let's say I want to I want to create a 7 by 4 matrix. Okay, 7 by 4 matrix, but value 1 until 20. But this time around, I want to use a random integer. Okay, not random number, not the one that. Okay, so let's say I want to create a matrix. Okay, using random integer, rand I. Okay, and the value that I want to use is from number 1 until 20. So I put it 10, 20. So 7 by 4 matrix. Okay, so this is my value. Okay, because it's random, so your answer might be different from mine because it's random number. It depends on your laptop. Okay, now let's say I want to extract a value. Okay, I want to extract a value, fifth row, second column. Okay, fifth row, second column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, second column. So it will be here. So the value is actually, it will be 14. Fifth row, second column. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it will return 40. Sorry, 18. 1, 4, 5. Yeah, 18. Sorry, 18. Okay, 18. Okay, let's say I want to use last row but third column. Okay, last row, third column. Last row but third column. Okay, so what we use is A and 3. Okay, so last row, third column. So you see here, it is 3. Last row here, third column. So here, 3. Right? Okay, so here also 3. Last column. Okay, first row, last column. So it will be 1, this one will be N. Okay, then you can see it's 19. First row, last column. It is 19. So the answer also given 19. Okay, let's say I want to use second last row, but second last row, but third last column. So I can put second last row, then third last column. So I can put as A, N minus 1, and minus 2. Okay, so second last row, third last column. So you will get 40. So look at what is A. Second last row here. Third last column, so here. Third last column. So it will be 14. Okay, this one, when you extract only one value, what if you want to extract 7 and 6 element, okay, in third column of A. Okay, so we want to extract, okay, second, fifth, and seventh element in third column. Okay, you want to extract second, fifth, and seventh element. In third column. Okay, so what you can do is A. Okay, so this one is second. So 2, square bracket, 2, 5, 7. Okay, where is it? It's third column. So comma 3. Okay, run section, you will get 9, 8, 8. Okay, so here will be second, fifth, third column of A. Third column is here. The third column is here. Okay, we want to take second, fifth, and also 7. Would be here 9, 8, 8. 9, 8, 8. Okay, so if you want to be more specific, okay, you want to extract first, third, and sixth element at second and fourth column. Okay, so you see the same A. Okay, so first column, third column, sixth column. Okay, at column number 2 and 4. Okay, so this one is I want to extract row first element, the element, sixth element, but only at column number 2 and 3. Okay, so you will get this. Okay, so if you want to extract element or rows or column, we use the we use the comma operator. Okay, so let's say you want to, okay, so recall back what is A. What we have been so far. Okay, this is my A matrix. Okay, I want to extract element from row number 4 until last. Okay, and first row, first column until third column. So I want to extract this only. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I want to extract this only here. Sorry. I want to extract this fourth until last and until third column. Okay, I want to extract this only 16, 9, 14, 2, 19, 8, 14, 14, 5, 11, 10, 12. Okay, only this. Okay, so what I can do is, okay, so I put as A for fourth row until n, comma, first column until 3. Okay, so later I write it. Okay, run section. So you see what I get is only 14, 8, 19, 15, 18, 12, 13. Okay, so let's say I record back with 8. Okay, so this is what I get. Only this part. Okay, let's say I want to extract the third row of A. Okay, third row of A. So what I can do is okay, so it will be here. All third row only, comma, and the column is all. So we put the double dot. So here, transaction, so you get it 11, 17, 14, 6. Okay, 11, 14, 17, 14, 6. Okay, if you want to take only the column, okay, only the column. Okay, so again, the same thing, A, double dot, this one we go to. Okay, so here will be this is the second column of A, only second column. Okay, so now, okay, we know that this is A, our matrix. Okay, so let's say, okay, I will give you, okay, the dimension of A. MATLAB will extend the dimension of A to fit the specified location. So if you see the size of A, it is only 7 row or column. Okay, let's say I want to do the extraction of 10 row and 6 column, which is, okay, it is not here, right? So, okay, we put this as like 100. 8, 10, 6, 100 equal to 100. So, which means that we will extend, okay, the data, okay, the MATLAB, we automatically will extend the data, okay, until 100, and the rest of the value will be 0, right? So, you see here, okay, previously A was only 7 by 4. Now we want to extract, we want to do 10, 6. Okay, so equal to 100. So here they will just add 0, 0, 0, 0, and the last value is 100. Okay, the last value is 100. Okay, I think okay, we can stop now. Okay, I'm tired. You also tired, right? Okay, so we will see each other on Wednesday, right? Yeah, on Wednesday. So, okay, we will see each other on Wednesday. My attendance paper, where it is now? Everyone has signed? Not yet. Okay. Please bring it forward. Okay, what your friend wants to sign it. Okay, so see you next class. Okay, I will share the code. Okay, maybe not all, only the one that I saved in Moodle. Okay.